Attach File module. File attachment helps a healthcare provider to store copies of relevant documents of reports by uploading, capturing, and attaching them along with the patient's health record, and download them if needed for any future reference. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list, and click on the New Health Record and navigate to the Attach File module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Attach File. Click on the Add icon to attach files. Here you can choose the attachment type. Here you can enter a relevant description to the attached file. Click on the Upload File button to choose and upload a file. Click on Capture Image to capture a picture and upload them. You can also drag and drop files here. You can click on the More button and select the Source Field option to include it to the form. Here you can enter details regarding the source of the file. Click on Upload File button to upload a file. As you can see, once a file is uploaded, a small preview of the file will be available here. Once you click on File, you can see the file will be available in an enlarged view. You can click on the Download icon to download the file. You can click on the Edit icon to edit details. Make the required changes, but the uploaded file cannot be modified. You can also double-click here to remove the field. A single click will help remove an empty field. Let's click on the More option here. An additional option will be available after the file is uploaded called hash value. The hash value is a unique value which is system generated for the particular file once it is uploaded to a system, and it is done for security purposes. Click on the option to view the value for the uploaded file. You can click on the trash icon to delete the file. Click on Save to save the updates. You can also add web links to the Attach File module by clicking on the Add icon and selecting Web Link as the attachment type, and include a link to the link field now available and click on Save. Once saved, you can click the link to view details.